Today, I will share with you 2 crucial tips that will enhance your video production. Before we get into the video, please join us and hit the like button. The first, it is essential to know how to attract your audience. This involves using zoom in and zoom out techniques with key frames to transform your ordinary footage into something meaningful. Second, sound effects are the most important. They compel viewers to watch your video until the end. When you use CapCut, you can find sound effects in the section I have marked. Choose the sound FX that suits your video best. Finally, use the sound effect that best fits your video. I will also share more tips with you in the next upcoming video. Have a great day.